Well, maybe you can listen to her music outside today because it's beautiful right now.
It is nice.
So the high temperature actually made it to 73 degrees.
Jeez.
If you can believe it. I know. Like I said earlier, I was wearing a jacket and I thought to myself, wow, I don't need this right now. Definitely will need it this evening, though, as temperatures drop into the 50s. But this morning, we started out at 46 degrees. Both of those temperatures are warmer than normal for this time of the year. Normal is 40 for the low and 59 for the high. So again, we were trending quite a bit higher than that. A strong cold front did make it through the area today. That's something that you have to know about the weather because it is going to impact our temperatures tonight and tomorrow. In fact, as cold air continues to filter in, a freeze will be possible for some Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, with rain possible at the end of the week and early during the weekend. Our pollen today high for mountain cedar, fungus at a low count. We do still have a blue sky overhead there over downtown Dallas as this front is working its way towards the south. Temperature still holding on to about 68 degrees in Denton, McKinney, about 60 in Decatur now, 71 in Fort Worth. Ahead of the front, temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s. Behind the front, some spots have dropped into the 50s. As that front continues to work its way south, we'll see the cloud cover still continue to roll in throughout the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, the temperature will be 43 degrees in Dallas, 42 in Fort Worth. You'll notice the cloud cover around, some spots dropping into the 30s across the Red River, or near the Red River, I should say, and across areas northwest of DFW. The high tomorrow, only 49 in Fort Worth, 48 for Denton and in McKinney, about 50 in Dallas. We're going to struggle to warm tomorrow because of a strong north wind gusting close to 30 miles per hour and the cloud cover that we're going to see throughout the morning and into the afternoon as well. Okay, so tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, this is when I think a few locations outside of the Metroplex could dip to freezing or maybe a degree or two lower than that. 34 for Dallas, 33 in Fort Worth, but Denton and McKinney at about 32. A few locations just to the north at 32. Some spots could even dip to about 31. I'm looking at Corsicana there for Wednesday morning. After Wednesday morning, those temperatures are soaring. We're talking upper 50s on Wednesday, 60s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It stays dry until late Friday. I've got about 20% coverage of rain in the forecast, 30% coverage of rain late Friday into very early Saturday, and then it tapers off for the morning. And it really just looks like it'll be for the eastern half of North Texas. I'm not expecting a lot of rain with this. I'm not expecting severe weather with this, but I'll be watching this really late in the day Friday into early Saturday, picking up anywhere between a quarter to maybe a tenth of an inch. So not a whole lot, less than a quarter, I should say, for most of North Texas, slightly higher for our far eastern counties. Tonight, 43 degrees, cooler, breezy, a little more cloudy. Winds out of the north at 10 to 20. It'll be cooler, drier, breezy at times for your Tuesday. And then those temperatures, really the coldest that I have on the first line there of our 14-day forecast is Wednesday morning with a low of 34, 58 for the high. And then we do get a bit more mild for the middle part of December with a few slim chances for rain here, not only the end of this week, but next week as well. And don't forget Santa's Helpers, Tuesday, December 10th is our next one at the Epic in Grand Prairie from 5 to 8. Jason.